Okay, and welcome back to our kind of introduction into Excel. The last time what we did was we created our actual spreadsheet um, with just some generic data. If you want to just go back to the first tutorial, you see how I did that. We did a bit of formatting. Um, so let's get cracking with some formulas. You the three of the basic formulas are your sum formula. So every formula in Excel starts with equals. So you type in equals and then we type in sum, if I can spell it right. And you'll notice this Excel will give you a list of formulas. So there's our sum formula. That's what we want. So I'm just going to hit the tab key and we want to get the sum of for week 1. So what we'll do is we just select the range you want. We could do it that way, and then we just have to hit enter, and that will give us our sum title. So we'll just call this, we'll put in total here. Okay, and let's format it again. Arial and 18, I think it was. That'll do. So we have our total there. We can also do sum, and if we know where our cell starts, ours is, it starts here at C2. By the way, this here is where your oops, that's what happens sometimes. Okay, so this here, if you quickly want to go to a cell, just type it in there. So what I want to do is that's our first cell is C3 to C12. So you can just enter in C3 colon C12, close it, and hit enter. And it'll do the sum. You could also sum it up by doing it equals C1, sorry, C, not C, where am I, D. So equals D3 plus D7 plus D8 plus D9 plus D10 plus D11 plus D12. Okay, so then we hit enter. You go up here to Autosum and you click on that, and it'll automatically knows what range you want. So it can see that we want it should just pick it up. Yeah, that's what we want. Oh, sorry, this one's going to be a bit finicky. So if you just double click on Autosum, it should just figure it out. And you can check the formula there. You can see, why is it giving me that? That's not what I want. It should figure out that that is not what I want. Right, just give me a second. Let's just go to sum. No, we want... Okay. Let's see what happens if we hit go enter. No, it gives us 0. It's not playing nicely with me because normally you just double click on it. So maybe it's because maybe if I do it here, it'll figure it out. Yeah, so that's why it's not working, because it'll do it that way. See the way it already creates the formula? So let's get rid of line 13 here. So you just right click here. If I get rid of the formula, so if we want to delete a row, we just right click there and select delete. And now that's number 13. So this should work. So we hit Autosum. It figures out what I want it to do. And we're done. Now, those 3 ways are, you can sum up whatever way you want. Now, once you have a formula in one cell, you can just, as with anything, just drag it across here, and it's like copying it into every other cell. So that'll give us our total. Now the next thing we want to do is we want our min and then our max. That's my dog barking in the background, if you can hear him. But anyway, so, and once again, with any other formulas, just type in equals, and we just type in min, and then we just select the range we want, and hit enter. Oops. Did I do that wrong? That's because I said main, not min. Okay. That's what happens when you do a lot of programming. Okay. And once again, we could either type in min in every single one of those cells, or you just get your crosshairs and drag it across. And if you haven't guessed it yet, max is just equals, and then select your range. Hit enter. And so that's your min and max, and that is your sum. And one final one I'm going to show you is the count. So this will count the number of cells in a range if it contains numbers. So we'll just use count for now. So let's equal and then count. And let's just select this range here. Okay, hit enter. We got 110. Just to prove that it won't work, that it's not going to work if we select the text, we'll put in count again. Okay, this time I'm going to select the text. As far as I know, this should not work, but then again, maybe I'm wrong. It's actually lower. Okay. Oh, that's because I included the total. So, we'll just get rid of this here. Let's see if we can change our range back up here. So, As you can see, it's only counted the numbers. Now, if you want to also include cells that have text, you use the count A or count all function. Formula is missing. Okay, don't worry. So so this should work. Now hit enter, and we get a ref. Is that because it's too big? Oh, that's because we've made a mistake here. My bad. COUNT A. So this should do it. Now hit enter. No, what is going on here? Sorry about this. Now we'll try this again. There we go. So we got 131. That will include your text. So they're really they are some very basic functions with Excel. So the sum, and we counted all the numbers, and we also used count A to include text and stuff like that. A couple of other things is you can do normal addition, subtraction, multiplication with Excel. You just put in equals, and then whatever number you want. Say plus, I don't know, let's say this. You could drag it across, and it will work it out for that. So yeah. You can just drag it across. It should work it out for nearly everything.